You're 45, broke, bills are piling up, your bank account says $3.29, and you're thinking, is it too late for me? What if this rock bottom is actually your comeback story? At 45, you expected to have savings, maybe even a home and retirement plan. But instead, you're stressed, stretched thin, and wondering if you'll ever catch up. Let's be clear, you're not alone. Life hits hard. Layoffs, divorce, medical bills. But this video, it's your guide to rebuilding from zero, even now. Being broke at 45 looks different than being broke at 25. You have real responsibilities. Rent, kids, parents to care for. Maybe you used to earn well, but life spiraled. It's not just a money issue, it's emotional. You carry guilt. You feel behind. But let me tell you something. Being broke isn't your identity. It's your starting point. Get brutally honest. Write down every single dollar you owe and everything you make, even side gigs. This isn't to make you feel bad. It's so you can finally stop guessing and start solving. Cutting back isn't punishment, it's protection. Cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Say no to spending that drains your future. If you're spending $12 a day eating out, that's $360 a month you could use to buy peace of mind. I had a friend named Denise who slashed her spending by $500 in 1 month, just by canceling 3 apps and meal prepping. That money? She used it to build her emergency fund. If this is speaking to you, go ahead and hit that like button so more people over 40 can find this video too. And hey, if you've already started cutting back or budgeting, tell me in the comments how it's going. You never know who you might encourage. This is where you stabilize. Build a budget that covers only the essentials: food, housing, transport, medicine. Everything else is optional. You're not being cheap, you're buying freedom. James, a former truck driver, cut back to just $1,200 a month for 6 months. That gave him space to start a small moving business. And now he earns triple that. Now it's time to go offense. Ask yourself, what can I do in 5-10 hours a week that brings in cash? Babysitting, selling baked goods, online tutoring, driving Uber. Lisa, 48, started flipping yard sale items on Facebook Marketplace. She made her first $400 in 2 weeks. It gave her hope again. Your mindset will either free you or keep you stuck. Don't believe the lie that you're too old or too far behind. Instead, start telling yourself, I can rebuild, I have time, I still matter. Let's recap your comeback roadmap. Know your numbers. Cut the fat 3. Build a bare bones budget 4. Add side income 5. Reset your mindset. Even if you're starting with nothing, these steps work. Your financial peace begins with clarity and one small action. I know it's scary. I know it's lonely. But being broke at 45 doesn't mean your story is over. In fact, this might be the most powerful chapter yet. Share in the comments, what's the first step you're going to take today? And if you want to learn how to build wealth in your 50s, even if you've never invested before, make sure you watch next week's video. You've got this.